a lead generation machine software that is crushing it, helping me crush it at 60 plus. Hell, I'm no internet guru, but this system allows me to live the laptop luxury lifestyle. I've got money flowing in, flying in. You ever see a fire hose with water squirting out of it? I mean, just so hard, it'll knock down buildings. Imagine it being broke and just whipping around and throwing $100 bills, squirting out just everywhere. Money everywhere. It's just flying. It's flying everywhere. Look at this. A year ago, I didn't know what the hell I was doing online, and then I found the system. I go in, I do a couple click, click, click on the mouse, and I didn't even know what a mouse was. A mouse? A computer? What's that? Anyway, this system starts generating leads. Next thing I know, I've got people sending money to me for no reason. They're just sending it. I got money flying out just like a broken water hose. The money's just flowing. This thing's got people coming to me out of the woodwork. They keep throwing money at me. I'm thinking, dude, I'll do this the rest of my frickin' life. I'll just sit back. I'll sit back, buy jewelry, watches, glasses, gold, cars, a Gulfstream. Hell, I'll just get on, I'll go. I just type away on my phone. People keep sending me money. It's that easy. I don't know why everybody in this damn world's not doing it. You know, there's like, 80 billion people on the internet these days? Constant. All they're doing is looking for shit to buy. Hell, buy my shit. Use it. Get your wad of cash today. It's that easy. That easy. It's not even a system. It's a software. Plug it in, bloop, 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 and it starts flying. The money's flying in. It's just, it keeps coming. I can't stop it. Hell, I gotta get to the bank right now. I gotta go. Too much money coming in. Talk to y'all later.